Okay, just a short video to see if my new microphone that you see here is going to work well while surface cleaning. So here I am in Mason, Ohio, washing this driveway. I'm going to blast through this quickly. I'm going to see if the audio is going to come through clearly when I'm on the trigger. So here we go. So this nice lady called, asked if I did surface cleaning or concrete cleaning. She built this home 3 years ago. The concrete is only 3 years old. I began by pre-treating by downstreaming. It's downstreamed enough to cover the concrete. See, this is my 8-gallon-a-minute machine. So someone was asking me if the mini Mondo works well with the 8-gallon-a-minute machine. And I will tell you that with just reasonable, well, hold on. Stupid rock. With reasonably dirty concrete, the 8-gallon-a-minute machine is pushing the mini Mondo just fine. I don't know if it were very dirty, like really dirty. I'm just not sure. We'll have to do another test at some point. So as a pro tip, work away from your truck in a Z formation, and you don't have to worry about ever having to cross your hose. You can see my rig is over there. I started over here, and now I'm working away from my truck. And I never have to cross over my hose, so it never gets in the way. So I will finish this driveway, the front walkway, and the sidewalk at the street, and then I will post-treat after rinsing, and I'll be done. There you have it. I'm anxious to get home and see if I can actually hear myself talking. So as we approach the truck, it should be getting louder, but the microphone is pointed just to my forehead as it is clipped to my hat. So this microphone is supposed to have a noise cancellation feature, and it does work pretty good. All right, there you have it. Mike, the fresh rinse, and I'm out.